Troubleshooting a power recliner. Unplug the transformer from the wall and try plugging it into a different outlet. Begin by flipping the unit over. Check all connections. You can unplug each of the round DIN plugs going into the motor and plug them back in, making sure they are pushed in all the way. Note, if your recliner has a harness, usually a black box that the DIN plugs come out of, you can do a reset by leaving the power plugged in and unplugging the DIN plug from the base motor for about 30 seconds. Flip the recliner back down and test to see if the unit works. Move on to the next step. Disconnect the transformer from the wall and the recliner. Plug in the replacement transformer to the wall and recliner. Test the recliner to see if it works. If it works, replace the transformer. If not, you'll move on to the next step. Next, you will test to see if the wand or switch is bad. The wand or switch you use in this part of the troubleshooting will depend on the model and how many motors it has. If you have a head tilt model with a fixed 4-button or a 4-button wand, you can use like switches for testing. Unplug the round DIN plug from the base motor and the head tilt motor. Plug in the new hand wand or fixed 4-button. Noting the long cord goes to the base motor and the short to the head tilt motor. If you get these two mixed up, the unit will not work. Flip the chair back over and test to see if it works. If the unit works, replace the defective switch or wand with a new one. If this doesn't, the motor may be defective and will need to be replaced. If you have a single motor, you can use a 2-button wand for this process. Unplug the hand wand from the base motor. Plug the new hand wand in and flip the unit back over. Test the unit to see if it works. If it works, you will replace the defective wand or switch with a new one. If it doesn't work, then the motor is defective and needs to be replaced.